Hi and welcome to today's 90 seconds of XRP. Stay tuned to know today's economic, financial, cryptocurrency, and of course XRP news. Pro-XRP lawyer explains how the SEC is taking a shorthand approach in the case. John Deaton said that many individuals, including Gary Gensler, have expressed their views on digital asset investment, claiming that investors' speculation of price increases is indicative of an investment contract. However, this notion is baseless, according to him. The Howey test, which was established by the Supreme Court, explicitly stated that an investment contract is not solely defined by an expectation of profits from a third party's effort. He said an employee at the regulatory body, Hester Peirce, has revealed that her colleagues in the SEC tend to concentrate on the token itself rather than the circumstances surrounding its offer and sale. According to Hester, these enforcement lawyers utilize a shorthand approach focusing on the token as a whole instead of considering the broader context in which it was offered and sold. Kennedy recently stated that the Fed may need to increase the interest rate to 8 to 10% to address the country's inflationary pressures. Recently, Brazilian President Lula asked why every country should be tied to the US dollar rather than just trade in its own currency. BRICS countries finalized agreements to trade with each other in their own currencies. So, has the de-dollarization started? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos to know more about XRP, Ripple, and all world's economic news.